I landed yesterday in LA. I got brekkie this morning with Marina, and now I'm going to Malibu. Apparently we're going surfing. Now the sun is out, but it's still not really warm. I'm getting in my Uber right now.
Missing someone.
He asked me, wait, this one? Right here. I know, but it's like stuck. We're like running too.
We should do that. I would love to do that.
We should.
I was like, you don't think the whole restaurant wants to hear from you?
No. Brock?
What was it? Brock.
So cute.
Here's what I got.
I'll talk to you guys later.
Oh, that's amazing.
Can I pull up?
It's really good.
I think the best.
Look at it.
First of all, it's my turn, so take a video of me. Did you guys just see what I did?
No.
Yeah, because you weren't paying attention. And you didn't see it either.
No, I didn't.
Flash or no flash?
Flash, I would say. But I would do it going this way.
But this is a dud.
This is a good photo too.
Because literally, I'm not gonna make anything in it. No.
Ready?
Yeah.
The content!
We were in school earlier and it was so fun. So fun. Loved it. Dancing apparently. We're just on a walk and we have to go to school now.
It's a beach
So
day.
exciting. Actually, it's not a beach day, but it's really beautiful today. We just made dinner. We made rice with this cream sauce over here. We're gonna eat outside. Marina's already sitting outside, and then I'm gonna go see Amanda. I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna paint something. I don't really know. We're gonna have like a painting evening. I can't paint, so we'll see how that goes, but yeah.
He kind of looks like my own dog. It makes me sad.
That's a cute face.
Dude, that's what me and Maddie say all the time when they're all there.
It's the 4th of July. My pronouns are USA, USA, USA. We're on our way to this party. I don't know.
I don't remember the name.
Sangria.
Sangria.
Sangria. And then we're going to the Palisades. I don't know.
All just because I ripped my pants when Big Larry came out just to put him down. About to turn into a clown. Your girl never wants to dance with the fool that. Ooh, fool that.
And I'm done. I'm literally done. I've never seen it.